In a small town lived a sweet little family, Papa, Mummy, and their 8-year-old daughter, Riya. Riya was a cheerful and smart girl. She always saw her parents busy with household chores. Her mother would wake up early every morning, make breakfast for everyone, get Riya ready for school, and then start with the rest of the housework. Even her father, before leaving for the office and after coming back, would help her mother with the housework. Riya often thought to herself, I wish I could help my parents too. One day, at school, her teacher told a story about how a tiny squirrel helped a huge tree. The teacher began, Children, once upon a time, there was a vast and ancient banyan tree in a dense forest. It was home to thousands of birds and animals. One day, a terrible fire broke out in the forest. Flames began to move toward the big tree. All the large animals, elephants, deer, and others, ran away to save their lives. Then everyone noticed a little squirrel doing something strange. She would rush to the nearby river, dive into the water, then run back to the burning tree and shake the water droplets from her wet fur onto the fire. She kept doing it again and again. A crow sitting nearby laughed and shouted, Oh silly squirrel! Have you lost your mind? Do you think your tiny drops can put out this massive fire? Run and save yourself. The squirrel, still running, replied, Brother Crow, I know my few drops won't extinguish this fire. But this tree is my home. I'm doing the best I can. Tomorrow, when this forest turns to ashes, at least I'll have the peace of knowing that I didn't just sit and watch. I did whatever I could. The teacher smiled and told the children, See, kids? The squirrel's effort was small, but her heart and intention were huge. In the same way, the little things you do to help your parents are just like those drops of water, precious and full of love. They show that you care and that you're doing your best for your family. And that little story stayed in Riya's heart. No help is ever too small if your intentions are pure. That day, when Riya returned home, she decided she would help her parents too. She saw her mother folding clothes. Riya ran up to her and said, Mummy, I'll help you fold the clothes. Her mother smiled and said, Oh, my little one, you're too small for that. Go and play. But Riya insisted, No, Mummy. I just learned today that no help is too small. Please, let me help. Her mother was deeply touched by Riya's words. She gave her some small clothes, handkerchiefs and towels, to fold. Riya folded them carefully, one by one, enjoying every moment. From that day on, it became Riya's daily routine. After coming home from school, she would place her shoes properly, wash and dry her water bottle, and sometimes water the plants with her father. Whenever guests came over, she'd help her mother serve them water. One evening, Riya's father came home very tired from work. He saw Riya sitting at her little table, writing something. He asked gently, My princess, what are you doing? Riya excitedly showed him the paper and said, Papa, I'm making a help list. It said, Make my bed after waking up. Water the plants. Wash vegetables with Mummy. Clean Papa's glasses with a soft cloth. Keep my plate in the sink after eating. When Papa read the list, his eyes filled with tears of joy. He hugged Riya tightly and said, My dear, your small acts of help mean the world to us. They don't just make our work easier, they fill our hearts with happiness, seeing how caring and responsible you're becoming. That evening, the whole house was filled with warmth and laughter. Mummy made Riya's favorite dessert, kheer, and they all ate together, smiling. Riya had understood something big that day. The happiness that comes from helping your parents, even in small ways, is priceless. These little acts of kindness make the bond of love in a family even stronger. Children, today's story teaches us something very important lesson that we should always try to help our parents with household chores. No help is small or big. Even our little efforts matter a lot to them and bring joy to the whole family. Have you forgotten to be a part of this family of enlightenment and awareness? If so, I earnestly request all viewers, please subscribe to our channel in millions. Let's work together to make this platform huge so it can instill good values in children and deliver revolutionary thoughts to every corner of the world. Your one subscription can make a significant difference.